Hello guys, this is Svetlana from Cosplay, and as a prop maker or cosplayer yourself, you surely know the issue. You build a really cool prop yourself and yeah, it's gigantic, it's awesome, it's huge, but the only problem is it doesn't really fit into a car or into your storage, into a box or anything because it's too huge. So today I wanted to show you how to separate these awesome props into nice transportation and storage friendly pieces and make some magic. Haha! So the construction actually looks like that, and I'm going to show you how to build it in the following minutes. As always, you will find links for all materials and tools you need in the video description down below. And these are basically just two PVC pipes which you can stick together. And in addition, you also need some really strong magnets. Oh, and did you notice my t-shirt? You will find this and plenty of others for cosplayers and crafters in our new Teespring t-shirt store, and there's a link in the video description down below. But now let's get started with the video. As mentioned before, you need two PVC pipes. I get mine from a local hardware store here in Germany called Obi. You need one larger and one smaller one. In the best case, they fit perfectly into each other. If not though, you can just wrap some foam around the smaller one and make it wider. In addition, you need strong neodymium magnets. I order mine from eBay, and as you can see, they come in plenty of different sizes and shapes. The ones I use are 5mm wide and 1mm high. Last but not least, you also need a Dremel with a drilling bit and some super glue. Once you have everything, mark where you want to separate your prop on the larger pipe. For my alloy spear, I went with the middle, since this part was hidden behind these round things. My Monster Hunter sword, however, was separated here. I just always search for spots that I can hide well. To cut my pieces apart, I mostly go with a bandsaw. However, a normal hand saw does the job as well. Then stick a short piece of the smaller pipe into the larger one and apply some super glue. Slide it in carefully and let it dry. Next, slide the larger pipe over the smaller one and secure both parts with tape. Now also place a mark for the magnets. I mostly go with two of them. Now you need to drill a hole through both layers of the pipes. I'm using this pointy Dremel tip for the job, however something like that would surely work as well. Or just use a normal drilling machine. The resulting hole should be around the same size as your magnets, by the way. As you can see, I actually shortened the smaller pipe a bit. The reason for that was that I actually have to place some tape to the inside. Next, I fill up this area with some super glue and carefully place the magnet inside. Now let everything dry properly and cover it up with more tape afterwards. Following this, put the larger pipe back in place again and add some super glue. Place the magnet, fill it up with more glue and let everything dry again. Afterwards, pull both pieces apart and get rid of the tape. Well, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, the pipes now perfectly hold together and are also easy to separate if you rotate them a bit. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful, and especially that you are able now to transport and storage your far too huge props a little bit more easier. But like, let's be honest, props are never too huge, right? So I hope you can do now some prop making magic as well. And yeah, if you still need more tips and tricks regarding to build something awesome, I also have a prop making book which you can check out on cosplay.com, and you can find it physical but also digital as an instant download. And yeah, if you still have any questions, as always, just leave me a comment, and yeah, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and yeah, see you very soon. Again, thanks so much for watching. You guys are awesome, and yeah, bye bye.